morning, students. So, our next topic is Mohenjo-daro, a planned urban center. Mohenjo-daro, a planned urban center. Okay, because we are studying Harappan civilization, we are studying Indus Valley civilization. So, what features were there? Why we are studying Harappan civilization? What its need? What it's important in our present. Okay, what was the good things in Harappan civilization? That's why it's became unique civilization of world of India. Okay, why it was unique? So we going to study about the urban centers of Harappan civilization, how it was developed, how they became the urban centers, how urban centers were well planned, okay, by the people. So perhaps most unique feature of Harappan civilization was development of urban center. Now this is 21st century, and in our cities, in our village, inside our house, we have lots of facilities, whatever our requirements, whatever we required, whatever we need. So we can complete our all kinds of needs through new techniques, through new methods. Okay, and today we have all everything. We have awareness, we have knowledge about the things. Okay, we can get everything in our home house. But that time we are studying the Harappan civilization. That time people were not more aware. Okay, not lots of facilities were there what we have now. So how they developed their centers, how centers became urbanized place. Okay, how centers developed itself, how planned areas were there, means proper drainage system was there, proper roadways were there, proper construction was there, water facility was there, everything was there. So how they planned for their centers, okay, how they were living, what was the architecture, what was the way of making urban centers. So in this topic we have to study about the planned urban centers. Okay, so unique feature of Harappan civilization was the development of urban center. Let us look at one such center, Mohenjo-daro, more closely. Mohenjo-daro was one of them. That was urban center. That was the developed center of Indus Valley civilization. Okay, Mohenjo-daro is the most well-known site. The first site to be discovered was Harappa. Okay, so first site which discovered by the archaeologist, that was Harappa. That's why for this civilization we used to say Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization. Okay, now the settlement is divided into two sections, means how people were living. Okay, so now in our society also we can see that our society was divided into many categories, है ना. Like if I want to tell you, so I would like to tell you that richest society, middle society and poor society. In three categories we can divide our society. So richest society, that means well finished, well developed, with all facilities, है ना, richest people having all facilities at their homes. Middle class, according to their requirements, of course they also having their places. Poor people, working class, laborers, they are living in huts, they are living in tents, they are living in what we can say, means very, they are living in they are no, okay, so they living in slums areas, no facilities are there, they are completing their needs and requirements, by themselves, so many difficulties faced by the poor people of our society. So that time also society was divided into two sections, into two categories, means two societies were there that time also. Okay, one smaller but higher, है ना. फर्स्ट सोसाइटी, फर्स्ट प्लेस, फर्स्ट एरिया वेयर पीपल वर लिविंग, दैट वॉज स्मॉलर बट हायर, छोटा था लेकिन काफ़ी ऊंचा था. ओके, एंड सेकेंड सोसाइटी, सेकेंड एरिया वेयर पीपल वर लिविंग, दैट अदर मच लार्जर बट लोअर. Okay, much larger but lower. So archaeologists designate these as the citadel and the lower town respectively. ठीक है, which was the small, but higher, that archaeologists designate that was citadel. ठीक है, जो छोटा था और ऊंचा एरिया था उसको सिटेडल कहा आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट ने. सिटेडल मीन्स गढ़ी, लाइक फोर्ट. ओके, मीन्स इफ यू हैव सीन द फोर्ट ऑफ राजस्थान और वेयर द किंग्स वर लिविंग, सो इट वाज फोर्टिफाइड बाय द किंग्स. मतलब चारों तरफ से हायर वॉल्स से वो कवर्ड एरिया रहता है, and that area used by the people for special occasion, है ना. it was the occasional place where only they have to celebrate occasions, festivals, they get together. Okay, that was the means spacious area for the function. And other was the larger but lower, मतलब नीचे का एरिया, निचला एरिया. ठीक है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा हायर वो नहीं रहता था. तो आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट डेजिग्नेटेड बोथ प्लेसेस एज सिटेडल एंड लोअर टाउन. ओके, सो विच इज़ द स्मॉलर बट हायर, दैट इज सिटेडल, गढ़ी, दुर्ग, वॉट एवर, किला, वॉट एवर यू कैन से. एंड सेकेंड वॉज दी विच इज़ larger but lower, that was lower town respectively. These names given by the archaeologist. Okay, for both sections. Ab now here is written what was the citadel. Citadel was that it's a height to the fact that buildings were constructed on mud brick platform. Okay, so walled, or you can say the buildings constructed by the mud bricks. Okay, and that time archaeologists did not get proof of baked bricks. They got lots of informations and evidences regarding the unbaked bricks. So citadel made by the people through the help of mud bricks platform. It was walled, of course. It was covered with the high wall, मतलब वो एरिया चारों तरफ से एक ऊंची दीवारों से कवर्ड रहता था. ठीक है, दैट्स वाई आई एम कॉलिंग इट दुर्ग और गढ़ी, लाइक द पीपल वर लिविंग देयर, है ना. लाइक इफ यू हैव सीन इन राजस्थान और इन द गुजरात, सो मेनी सिटेडल्स आर देयर ऑल्सो विच इज़ कवर्ड विद द हाई वॉल्ड. ओके, which meant that it was physically separated from the lower town. So citadel